Hello everyone, welcome to CP Master, and today I'm going to discuss the binary search over the answer in floating point precision. And the prerequisite will be the binary search algorithm, the basic binary search algorithm. So let's begin. Uh, you might have used the binary search algorithm to find the element in the sorted array, and you might also have used the binary search to find some integer answer. For example, finding the square root of n in floor function. That means floor of sqrt of n, and we can find this using the binary search, and algorithm will be and the complexity will be log n in, yes, in log n time. Let's see the code for this problem. Then we will make some changes in this code and make it run for the above problem, the main problem, for some floating point and some precision. Let's run this. Suppose the given number is n, and for binary search we can do this because our number will lie between 0 to 10 to the power 9, the square root number. Then just move around the left and right pointers, and I'm here calculating the ceil value, because when low and high will be adjacent to each other, then if if I don't use this ceil, then it will always point the low value, and if low satisfy the condition, then my loop will be in uh, infinite condition, will be in infinite loop. So we have to do the ceil value. Yeah, this for the condition met for to find the square root of n. Then okay, because if my pointer is, yeah, let's, okay, it is fine, yeah, and just return the low value. So now it is perfectly works for the this problem to find the square root of n in some floor function. So now, um, to make it run for the above problem, we need to do some changes. Suppose we want to find the square root of n in some precision value. Suppose up to 10 to the power 6. That means 6 decimal places. Then we will move our pointer, low and high pointer, by 10 to the power minus 7. That means 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, and my low and high values would be this same. Now we cannot do this way, because um if I do this, then uh, there always some case when both low and high are not same. So we have to do something else. uh, we have to do this. If low and high are apart from each other at least by EPS distance, then we are able to make some binary search. Then just made the standard thing, but here we use the EPS, not the one, because we'll move our pointer by EPS. And if mid into mid is less than is equal to n, and if our n is int, then we should typecast the number, and low is equal to mid, else high is equal to mid minus EPS, and return the low value. and we are done. This is it. And it will find the square root of n up to 6 correct decimal places. And if you want to make this code run for 7, then change it to 8 and 9 and whatever you want. And this code will run in O of login time, big of login time. So this is pretty fast actually, pretty I think a little bit more than login time, because if my precision is high, then it will take a more time. So I can say 10 to the power mm, if precision. Suppose my precision is decimal places, some decimal places like this. So but it is quite fast. So this is it. And in this way we can find the we can apply the binary search over the floating point numbers and with some precision. And I'll provide some links of the problems in the description, so you can try it by yourself and make your understanding better. So see ya guys, bye for now.